Alright, before we start placing bets, we need to understand the game itself, because let's be real, walking into a casino with no strategy is the fastest way to lose your money. Think about slot machines. They don't just have one possible outcome. It's not a simple win or lose like a coin flip. Instead, every machine has multiple symbols, and each combination leads to a different probability of payout. Now here's the kicker. This isn't random chaos. It follows a mathematical pattern, something called the multinomial distribution. Let's break it down. Imagine you're watching a slot machine spin. You see cherries, sevens, bars, and diamonds flashing by. Each of these symbols has its own probability of appearing based on how the machine is programmed. Some symbols, like cherries, might appear more often, while others, like the coveted 777s, are extremely rare. And here's where multinomial naive Bayes comes in. It doesn't care about why these symbols appear. It just tracks how often they do and then uses those probabilities to predict what comes next. Now, let's shift this analogy to text classification. Think about spam emails. They're filled with certain repetitive words and phrases. Congratulations, free money, urgent action required. A regular email, on the other hand, might use more neutral language like meeting agenda or quarterly report. So what does naive Bayes do? It treats words just like slot machine symbols. Instead of predicting which symbol will appear next, it predicts which word is more likely in a spam email versus a normal one. It looks at thousands of past emails, counts the words, and calculates the probability of each one appearing in spam versus non-spam. If the email has bank details plus greet money transfer plus click here, the model doesn't need to understand the meaning. It just knows those words appear in 99% of spam messages. Just like how a casino knows that if a machine hasn't hit in a while, the chances of a jackpot might be rising. This is the multinomial part of naive Bayes. It doesn't just work with a yes or no, win or lose, spam or not spam system. It works with multiple possibilities and assigns probabilities to each.